The skein is huge, as you can tell. It's bigger than my head.
Hi guys, I'm Samantha, the social media manager at Lion Brand Yarn.
I'm Jessica, the design director here at Lion Brand.
And we are in the Lion Brand warehouse for an unboxing.
Yeah.
So excited.
Okay,
Let's see. Ooh, I've been wanting to see this one.
It's gigantic. It's called I Want to Make a Blankie. Makes a baby blankie. You can knit a 42-inch square or crochet a 33-inch square with one cake.
And it's machine washable and dryable, which is very convenient.
Yeah, it has a lot of yardage too, 437 yards in one cake. So it's an 800-gram cake, 437 yards, super bulky, works up really quickly, 100% polyester. Our recommended needles are 11s, which are 8mm, or N13, which is a 9mm hook. You can mix cakes together to make different color combinations if you'd like. There are 6 colors. So you can do more multis for baby blankies and presents, or you could do solids for a more sophisticated look.
It just keeps coming.
Oh my God, there's more. This one looks like cotton candy.
It does.
So cute.
I really like the neutral ones though.
Yeah.
Oh, but the pattern is on the inside of the label.
Yeah, knit and crochet, so you don't even have to go looking for it. It's right there for you.
Okay, let us know what color was your favorite.
Yeah, and if you liked the unboxing, let us know in the comments.
Can't wait to do more of these. These are available now.
Go get yours.
Go get them.
Thanks, guys.
And cut.